My name is Kyle Chua. You can call me Kyle, and I'm the captain of the chess team. So my preparations are just simple. I play a lot of games, practicing chess in general, improving where I can improve.
My name is Kaden Singh. I am part of table tennis varsity and I am their captain. Previous season was filled with multiple setbacks that impacted the entire varsity. We definitely need to improve on our in-game strategy. As while table tennis is a physical sport, where having an athletic body matters, the position and making the most out of what is happening in-game also matters.
My name is Brianna C., captain of the women's badminton varsity. We have devoted several periods of time to having our team building in order to foster camaraderie and support our workers.
Hi, my name is Peach Orbel Nino, wearing jersey number 9, and I've made the setter and co-captain of the MGC volleyball team. Built on the school's foundation of Christian values and inspired by the love of playing our sport, our team strives to embody a more well-rounded, efficient, and Christ-centered system in order for us to be able to maximize our fullest potential.
Hi, I'm Carl Yuen. I'm the captain of the MGC basketball team. I'm number 8 and I play point guard position. We're definitely a better team this season. We've improved a lot under the guidance of our coaches and we played more games together, so we are a more complete team now. We're ready to play all for the glory of God.
Come and support us at the upcoming PCYA Season 11
To see gold, silver, and bronze back in MGC.
Let's go New Life!
Let's go MGC!
Let's go MGC New Life!
Hi, my name is Ossie Ramos. I'm the team captain and guard for the Una High School basketball team.
My name is Steven Choa, co-captain and forward for the Uno basketball team. 我们在进攻和防守端都需要更好的配合和沟通。
We learned that we need to communicate better, and we must learn how to play better as a team, and most importantly, we need to improve on our defense and shooting skills.
我们很有信心，在团队的共同努力下，将带领我们取得一个成功的赛季。
You can expect us to give our best in every single game.
To my fellow Unions, we invite you to come watch our games in the upcoming PCYA Season 11.
老师、家长们，来看我们比赛吧
Let's go Uno!
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Powerall 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Powerall's 8 GB for all apps plus Unli TikTok.
or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value Deals! I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire up to 99 pesos. Smart Super Value Deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Power All's 8 GB for all apps plus Only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value Deals! I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire up to 99 pesos. Smart Super Value Deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Power All's 8 GB for all apps plus Only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value Deals!
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
To Memorial Gymnasium at the heart of Tondo, Manila is our battleground for the semifinals of the 11th season of the Philippine Qingyin Athletic Association, brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Good afternoon. I'm Coach Chris King de la Cruz, and I'm joined by Coach Joseph Guion, and we have an extremely exciting doubleheader for today, as in our first game, we will have MGC New Life Christian Academy, who holds a twice-to-beat advantage in the semifinals, going up against the Uno High School. And later at the nightcap, we have St. Jude Catholic School against St. Stephen High School, going for all the marbles for the final spurt in the 11th season of the PCYAA. Coach Joseph, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we welcome everyone here on the live and here watching at Don Domingo U Gym. I could feel the intensity in today's game. Papasok pa lang ako dito sa venue natin. Talaga all the crowd is so pumped up. So nakita natin dito yung bracket natin on the semifinals. Number 1, the St. Stephen High School is going up St. Jude on the knockout game later. And then not the number 2, MGC New Lifers versus the Uno. Ito yung the first game. So Uno will try to push a rubber match against MGC.
MGC New Life Christian Academy and Uno High School, 2 former champions of this league. Uno High School having won the inaugural season, and the Season 4 champions, MGC New Life Academy. As we see here are 3 gentlemen who will officiate this game: Jaime Jimenez, Arnold Benafuente, and Richard Pagulong.
So Uno, knowing that their last championship is the Season 1, I talked to Coach Matthew. He just told me that he will gonna try to get 1 again in the Season 11. But I told him na with the lineup that you have, I think you're bound to do it. Kasi kita naman natin dito how they prepare for this season. Kumbaga nakailang liga sila, na ilang may mga leagues sila ng mga sinalihan outside Chinese, Filipino-Chinese basketball. Going to the Season 11, they're all hoping to get a better finish.
And this is a team of contrast. Ika nga, no, nakausap ko ang ating Mang Henry kanina during the pre-game. Uno, no, really a defensive team and will try to have a low-scoring game for this semifinals matchup. Meanwhile, dito naman sa panig ng MGC New Life Christian Academy, talagang todo sa opensa ang aasahan natin. Yun ang analysis ng ating kaibigan na si Mang Henry.
Oh yes, knowing Coach John C. So yung depensa, yung defensive scheme na yan, kumbaga ito yung mga kailangan ng pagandaan kasi biglang mag-full court press yan, no? Hindi naman sila kilala on their full court press, pero on their zone trap, zone defense, half court zone defense, talagang yun yung mga signature niya. Kumbaga kung titingnan natin yung mga early 2000 mga Syracuse Orange yan Pag nag-zone yan, talagang hirap na hirap ka. Yun din sinabi ni Coach Matthew, one of the on the scouting report nila, yung isa yun sa mga pinaghahanda nila, that zone defense na ibibigay sa kanila ng MGC.
See here on the screens, the supporters of both teams are ready. We are ready, the players are ready, and we are underway. First quarter brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Semifinals action, Uno High School against MGC New Life Christian Academy. Twice to be an advantage. Hawak ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. Steven Choa can get it through. John Bautista, no good from way beyond. Ian Perez failing to secure the possession. Bola mapupunta ngayon sa panig ng MGC New Life Christian Academy.
Yun sinasabi kong zone defense nitong MGC. Mapipilitan talaga yung Uno tumira doon sa 3-point area because of that defense. Ibibigay nitong white shirts.
Adam Uy fails to knock that long bomb. Uno High School now creating Austin Ramos. Steven Choa. Back to Bautista. Austin Ramos, the leading scorer of Uno High School. Ian Perez kicks it out. Trey Chua fouling in the process there. Wanting the swipe. 9 minutes, 4 seconds remaining in the first. Both teams still searching for the first field goals.
Napag-usapan namin ni Coach Matthew with the pregame that I told him that you get a slight advantage going to this game because you have already played last Tuesday the quarterfinal games against PCC. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, medyo natanggal nyo na yung rust for that 2-week break. Pero sabi ko, iba pa rin on the approach nito, semifinals, lalo going up to the number 2 team lang itong MGC.
Austin Ramos now making his move. Runner. 5 straight points for Austin Ramos after draining that 3-pointer earlier. 5-0 is our count. 8 minutes, 31 seconds remaining in the first. Harlue slicing through 2 defenders, and he would go to the stripe to earn those 2 points. No easy baskets here for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Talagang sarado yung pintuan dun sa interior, Coach Joseph.
Yes, knowing that you're gonna have that patrol man, Jarvis Mari, but he picked up that first foul on that attempt of Carl Yue. Pero kita mo dito, ito yung sinasabi ng mga coaching staff ditong MGC, go attack that press. Yun ang gusto nila mangyari dito.
Given that Jarvis Mari is essential part of that Uno rotation in the interior, malaking sakit ng ulo pag napunta na naman sa foul trouble itong batang ito.
Yes, isa din yan sa gustong mailabas ni Coach Matthew yung laro. Ayan si Mari. Pero tingnan natin dito sa semifinals game na to. Baka ito yung mga, minsan may mga X-factor. Pwede siya maging X-factor ng team nila because of his height. Yun na nga, baka one rebound for him right there.
J.M. Bautista running jumper, no good. Trey Chua secures the letter for MGC New Life. Harlue creating for the boys in white. 16 seconds to shoot in the first. 5-2 is our count. Trey Chua using that Sotinko screen. Carl Chua bothered by Austin Ramos. Adam Uy, nice find. Sotinko inside, but he would be fouled. He will earn the trip to the line for 2.
So it's
Steven Choa committing his first personal foul. Second team foul for Uno High School.
After that first attempt at the three-point line, MGC decided to go attack the basket inside the paint. So twice na rin sila nakakuha ng foul dito. Yun nga lang, mintis yung free throw ni Sotinko.
Good adjustment there by Coach John Sia. Sotinko missing that second. Jarvis Mari clubbers that board. Austin Ramos gives it to J.M. Bautista. Steven Choa against Carl Yue. Austin Ramos being guarded by Adam Uy. Choa crosses over. Kicks it out to Austin Ramos. No good on that second try from way beyond. Forward pass to Adam Uy. Pulls up. Masyadong malakas. J.M. Bautista recovers it for Uno High School. Steven Choa. 7 minutes remaining in the first. J.M. Bautista running jumper from the baseline. That's strong, but there will be a foul.
It's gonna be, I think, second personal foul of Jarvis Mari. So, pasok na dito si Grant C. Replaced for Jarvis.
Again, Jarvis Mari, 2 quick fouls. Disrupted na naman ang rotation sa ilalim ni Coach Matthew Yu. 6 minutes, 50 seconds remaining in the first. Adam Uy gives it to Carl Yue. Goes left, and he would finish. 5-3 is our count.
Again, he attacked the paint. With that one, they got the first field goal in this ball game, courtesy of Carl Yue.
Steven Choa, second serving. Give it to Wong. Austin Ramos pulls up. No good. Grand C. Steven Choa kicks it out to Wong. Step back 3 would be short. MGC New Life Christian Academy now on the attack. Harlue pulls up from mid-range. No good. Austin Ramos calling the play, settling the boys. Gives it to Grancy inside, and he will score. Make it 7-3. Uno High School, 5 minutes, 49 seconds remaining in the first period. Adrian Tan answers back. 5-7.
Good mid-range jumper by Adrian Tan right there. But before that, what a good find by Austin Ramos. Papunta doon kay Grand C. Grand C get his first 2 points in this ball game.
Austin Ramos again, 7 points in the ball game.
It's gonna be the first foul of Grand C. He's too aggressive defending Trey Chua right there. Talaga
nagkikil, no?
nasobra na yung referee natin doon. natawagan siya ng first foul niya. Kailangan niya na mag-ingat dito. Jarvis Mari already had 2 fouls.
And Sotinko will be free inside. Yung epekto nung merong foul trouble. Yung mga big men ni Coach Matthew Yu opening up the lane, opening up the shaded area. That's Sotinko for 2. No challenge there as we see here. Uno High School. Empty possession, bola babalik sa kamay ng MGC New Life Christian Academy.
On that basket of Sotinko a while ago, it's got a lost communication, a miscommunication there for the blue shirts. They should have gotten to yung magbabantay doon sa rollers. Hindi sila nagkaintindihan doon. Another attack to the basket. Sotinko again.
Sotinko, nice pump fake. And Coach Matthew, you have seen enough. He will call a timeout. 9-7 is our score. 4 minutes, 40 seconds remaining in the first. We will be back.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
We are even at 9-all with 4 minutes 40 seconds remaining. Still here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Gymnasium at Uno High School. See the faithful of MGC New Life Christian Academy supporting the players, because if they win here, they'll get an outright finals berth. And magandang story yung teams na to. No? They're both former champions. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, Uno High School are inaugural champions, and the Season 4 champions, MGC New Life Christian Academy. As we go back into the action, forward pass to Adam Uy from Carl Reb, but he will commit a dribbling violation. Balik ang bola sa mga naka-asul ng Uno High School.
Again, what a good try right there for that early offense. Luckily for Uno, natawagan dun ng dribble violation itong si Adam, or else Adam could attack again na naman sa harap ng ring.
Adam Uy, potent scorer for MGC New Life Christian Academy, has yet to score with 4 minutes, 9 seconds remaining in the first. Carl Reyes secures the letter. Creating for MGC New Life Christian Academy, would want to find a friend. Shakes and bakes against Grant C, but Grant C will commit his second personal foul.
What a good drive right there for Carlway, breaking down the defense of Grant C, forcing Grant C to get a foul. It's gonna be 2 free throw again para dito kay Carl. This time they have a chance to get the lead.
Nangyayari sa adjustment ni Coach John Cia, no? Attack to the basket, sabi mo nga kanina. And ubusin mo yung foul ng interior defenders ng Uno High School, which they are successful at this point.
I talked to Coach John kanina sa labas, outside the venue. Pang-aabot kami while we're doing, nagkakape kami. And it was, admittedly niya naman, malalaki talaga yung Uno. Sabi niya, Coach, malalaki nitong kalaban natin. So, well, just another one. Sabi mo nga, probably it's the game plan to attack the paint, to get them in the foul trouble, or to challenge kumbaga yung depensa nila. Well, luckily for them, kumbaga dito pa lang sa first quarter, dalawa na si Mari, dalawa na rin si Grant. And another foul will be called right there, and another free throw ibibigay dito ng blue shirts para dito kay Carlway.
Carlway aggressively driving, fishing for that foul. Penalty situation for Uno High School, while MGC New Life Christian Academy has only 1 foul here in the first quarter.
Gusto ko lang batiin yung mga nanonood sa atin sa live. One of our coaches, Coach Harold Nang, former player also, subaybay dito. And one of my player, Gabe Castillo, is enjoying the game right now. If you're nearby, please come and watch here live. So, para maramdaman yung intensity dito ngayon sa venue natin. Ibang-iba talaga, alam mo, pag semifinals na. I've been coaching here for the Season 2, Season 3 with Coach Luis and St. Jude. Talagang iba talaga pag, alam mo yun, pag playoffs na, with the crowd, with the students, with the alumni, dito ulit magkikita-kita yung mga yan.
Sinasabing electric yung atmosphere.
Yes.
Totoo yan. As Austin Ramos failed to secure that basket, Ian Perez fails on that reverse. Steven Showa still no good for Uno High School. Adrian Tan secures the board for MGC. Jacoby Tan now.
Look at the interior defense of MGC right there. Those wide bodies is keeping these blue shirts at bay. Talagang hirap na hirap sila doon.
Adrian Tan zigzagging but loses the handle. Ian Perez, 2-on-1 break. Jacoby Tan, splatter on the floor. Helter Skelter basketball, and it will go the way of Uno High School.
And welcome to the semifinals game, guys.
This atmosphere is so electric. Nahahawa na ang crowd sa intensity na pinapakita ng players. 19 seconds to shoot. And we're 2 minutes, 52 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Steven Choa, give and go from Austin Ramos, but there will be a foul. That will probably go against Jack Cheng inside.
Steven Choa decided to drive it hard to the basket. He got a foul. Pero second team foul pa lang dito ng MGC. So malayo-malayo pa para mag-penalty.
3-point shot is not good. Second serving for Steven Choa. Good positioning there. Good backs out move. We would be fishing a foul. Again, Jack Cheng committing 2 consecutive fouls here.
This is only the third team foul nitong MGC. Look how disciplined they are on defense.
Steven Choa given to C. Austin Ramos, 3-point shot, no good. Again, Steven Choa, second serving, but he will run out of real estate that time. Ball
Uno
possession will go to MGC New Life.
Uno should help Steven Choa on the rebounding area, on the rebounding department. So kailangan nila pagtulungan niya. Hindi pwedeng si Steven lang talagi makakakuha at maglalaban para sa rebounds para sa kanila.
As we see now, pull-up jumper, no good. Huang Tachi protects the board, but stolen by Wesley Ko. Not giving up on that possession. 12-9 is our count. MGC New Life. Showa, empty possession.
Ang daming ganun na tira itong una na pinipili ng bola lumabas. So, luckily for this is only the first quarter. Babago pa yan. Yun na nga. Nasa semifinals tayo. Some of that game, sasabihin ko pa sana jitters, pero itong bata to, wala ng jitters dito. He already have 7 points. Itong si Ramos. So you can see here, itong agaw ni Ko.
Wesley Ko, relentless, never gave up on that possession. Naagaw pa from Wang Tachi. As we see now, Austin Ramos lining up for 2 free throws. First one is good. 1 minute 46 seconds remaining in the opening quarter of this semi-final matchup. MGC New Life Christian Academy holds a twice-a-bit advantage.
That is 9 points here in this quarter. So a well-deserved rest for Austin with 1 minute and 46 seconds left here in the first quarter. Pero hindi ako magtataka kung ibabalik pa bigla ni Coach Matthew yan.
Austin Ramos, nakapormang makakota ngayon, no? 9 points in this quarter, 21-point average for this tournament.
Another foul is called to the blue shirt, so it's gonna be 2 free throw for Adam Uy. So the first foul of Perez.
Perez being over-eager on the defensive end during that sequence. Adam Uy, the prolific scorer for MGC New Life Christian Academy, sinks in the first free throw.
Naalala ko to si Adam Uy on the elimination game. Uno should have won that game kung hindi sa heroics nitong batang to. They got a steal and a three-point basket to give them that lead. Nag-collapse na sila nun on the fourth quarter. Hinabol ng Uno yung parang 16-point lead. Pero good thing Adam Uy was there. Naibigay niyo yung panalo sa MGC.
Literally saving the day for MGC New Life Christian Academy, and good defense there for the white shirts as they force Uno High School to commit turnover. 1 minute 26 seconds remaining in the first. Carl Rare forward to Maddox Lim, turn around, gives it to Gamboa, back to Maddox. Carl Rare, shake and bake. Maddox from way beyond, no good. Perez rebounds.
Good backside right there by Perez, getting that board.
Good position inside. Yan Perez, but telegraphed by a white shirt. But Uno secures it. One touch, she's short on that try from 3. Steven Choa again trying. Faded away. No good. 44 seconds remaining in the first. Trey Chua against Ian Perez and Steven Choa. Gives it to Carl Ray. No good, but Gamboa was there for the cleanup job. 31 seconds remaining in the first. 16-11 is our score. MGC New Life Christian Academy. Carl Ray. 2-on-1. Adam Uy will score. 18-11.
Look at the intensity and the aggressiveness of this MGC. Talagang alam yung galing sa 2-week break. Talagang alam yung full of energy sila dito. Itong Uno naman, as early as the first quarter, nakikita mo parang alam mo yung restless na sila
4 seconds to shoot. 3. Uno must make a move. And that will do it for our opening quarter. MGC New Life Christian Academy leading Uno High School 18-11. MGC New Life Christian Academy looking good in this first quarter. We will be back for second quarter action of this semifinal game.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond. Only with Smart Postpaid.
And we are back here at the Don Domingo Youth Shoot Gymnasium here at the Uno High School. And we see the angel of MGC New Life Christian Academy. Gab is a warrior. Second quarter action now begins. Brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Coach Joseph, anong naging istorya ng ating first quarter?
The story of the first quarter for MGC is their intensity. Hindi ma-match ng Uno. Itong Uno naman, they totally rely here for Austin. Scoring 11, 9 kay Austin doon. Steven Choa, Grant C. Perez should step up on the offensive end.
John Yu kicks it out to J.M. Bautista from way beyond. Still no good for J.M. Bautista. But ball will remain in the hands of the blue shirts. 14 seconds remaining in the shot clock. Austin Ramos, baseline inbound. Gives it to Grant C. Quick play. Good cut in the middle by Grant C. But he would get that foul.
So, sinabay na dito ni Coach Matthew itong si Jarvis Mare, Grand C. knowing that these two players is already have 2 fouls, pero wala siyang magagawa dito. It's do or die for them, and it's only a second quarter. Now MGC is enjoying the largest lead in this game with 9 points.
Kumbaga, go all in ka na. Wala nang bukas kung matalo. Grand C. Second free throw. Taking his time, but is way too strong. 22-11 is still our count. Forward pass. Maddox Lim misses from point blank range. Grand C protects the rebound for Uno. Austin Ramos would want to create. Grand C in the middle against a phalanx of white shirts, and he will get the hoop and the harm. Nice inside move there by Grand C.
Eh, ang gustong-gusto ko sa trabaho ko to kailangan ko lang batiin yung mga player para magising. And look at Grand C right now on the attack mode, and look at the foul counted that he got against Sutinko. So it's gonna be a free throw for him.
Referees conferring sino ba talagang nag-commit ng foul. Initially, it was Carl Ray who was called for a foul to the protest of the MGC New Life Christian Academy coaches. Let's see here, Coach Jancia livid, asking our officials.
Coach Jancia is asking who's foul. So you can see in your screen, Coach Matthew is also. It's like a little bit of confusion right here. It's going to be a warning now to Coach John Sia for continuous complaining.
They are protesting that it was not Carl Ray who committed that last foul. Warning now being assessed against the coaching staff of MGC New Life Christian Academy for that call.
Coach John and Coach James is in action here in the second quarter. Talaga alam nila kung paano titimplahin tong team na to. Now, balik dito sa full court press itong Uno. Carlway, iwan na naman yung unang bantay.
Adamuy, corner 3. No good.
It's the third rebound of Jarvis Mari here in this ball game.
Grand C, nice find inside to J.M. Bautista. Joust there between Mari and Sutinko. Two big men of these two schools, relentless in that battle inside. 8 minutes, 37 seconds remaining in the first. 20-14 is our count. Still, MGC New Life Christian Academy leading, but Jarvis Mari, quick play there.
Someone caught sleeping on that play. What a good pass right there all the way to Jarvis Mari. And a foul again para dito kay Grand C.
That would be his third personal foul. Bad news for Coach Matthew Yu, one of his prized big men. His energy guy, very livid. Problema nga naman talaga yun, Coach.
Yung palagi tinuturo natin sa mga players natin, yung mga help side defense, kung saan manggagaling. Grand C, wala siya sa posisyon yun, wala siya sa posisyon na yun, kaya napilitan siya fumaul.
Sutinko, this big guy has a good pump fake, cashes in on that second free throw, makes it 21-16 for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Jacoby Tan bothering Austin Ramos. 16 seconds to shoot now. Jacoby Tan still bothering Ramos. J.M. Bautista. Huang Tachi. Austin Ramos against Adam Uy. Steps back for a 3. But there will be a foul underneath. And that will be against Jarvis Mari.
So it's also the third foul of Jarvis Mari. Sinasabi natin, yun yung sugal na ginawa kanina ni Coach Matthew. Start the second quarter, pinagsabay niya tong dalawang player na may 2 fouls. Pero yun na nga, he has no choice but to play them.
So Tinko working his way inside short. Carl Re, follow up, no good. Ball will go back to the hands of the blue shirts. 7 minutes 47 seconds remaining in the second quarter. John Yu against Adam Uy. Ian Perez kicks out to J.M. Bautista. Corner 3 will not be good. Adrian Tan.
Nawala si Grant, nawala nang pupunta nila sa ilalim. So, bagsak na naman sila, shooting from the outside. Speaking, nawala yung tao nila sa ilalim. Look at this guy doing work. Kurt Sutinko. Now he's gonna go to the line.
Kurt Sutinko capitalizing on the lack of big men of Uno High School, working his way on the post, earning a trip to the free throw line.
It's gonna be an early work para dito sa mga big man ng Uno. Huwag mo nung papapuntahin si Kurt sa spot na gusto niya. So, papunta pala siya, you need to bump him. Kasi mahirap na pag nandun na siya sa paint. At he's gonna do his thing or he's gonna work. Talagang mahihirapan ka talaga sa laki ng katawan nitong batang to.
Wide-bodied guy. Overkotay na ito, Coach Joseph. 3.9 points per game. He's already scored 5 points. But he norms 10.6 rebounds. 21 to 16 is our count. Austin Ramos gives it to Ian Perez, who lines up for 3. Too strong. Kurt Sutinko secures the board. Trey Chua now forward pass to Adam Uy. Adam Uy says wait. Trey Chua goes right. And he will score on that drive. Trey Chua makes it 23 to 16. MDC New Life Christian Academy.
Ganyang kadali buhay pag wala ng Jarvis Mari or Grancy sa ilalim para dito sa Uno. Kaya ganun na lang kadali umatake itong taga MGC.
Uno High School seems to be rattled, but Wang Tachi cashes in on that long two-pointer to make it 23 to 18. Adrian Tan thought of the 3 against Ian Perez, but he will be fouled in the process. Third personal foul for Ian Perez.
So it's gonna be Perez, Jarvis Mari, Grant C. Lahat yan tigtatatlo. Foul. So tingnan natin dito with 6 minutes and 19 seconds left in the second quarter. Ano yung diskarte yung gagawin dito ni Coach Matthew? Pero yun na nga, dito ka makakakuha ng mga hero weeks eh. Diba? Pag may mga ganun nangyayari, may bubunutin ka, may magkaka-magic bunot ka, di mo alam sino mag-step up. And a foul again. Austin Ramos. It's gonna be Jacoby Tan going to the line because already in the penalty.
Agang napunta sa penalty situation ng Uno High School. 6 minutes, 10 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Jacoby Tan, first free throw, too strong. Yun na nga, yung diskarte ng mga Sia brothers. Talagang to attack the big men seems to be paying dividends for them. Tatlong big men ng Uno High School at talagang nasa foul trouble ngayon.
Mintis na kayo free throw, ibibigay mo yung offensive rebound. And look at the face of Coach Matthew Yu. Talagang he is disgusted what this boy's doing. And another easy basket para dito sa MGC. A lazy pass right there coming from the blue shirts.
Seems the will of Uno High School has been taken away slowly here by the white shirts. And Adam Uy will finish back-to-back baskets for Adam Uy. And Uno High School would want to stop the bleeding. 29 to 18 is our score. Pabor sa MGC New Life Christian Academy. We will be back after this timeout.
I value this the most.
Ulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Powerall 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
data that doesn't expire up to 99 pesos. Smart Super Value Deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With PowerAll's 8 GB for all apps plus Only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value Deals.
I value this.
Play of intensity here at the Don Domingo YouTube Memorial Gymnasium, Uno High School. Skyrockets here. Coach Joseph, ramdam na ramdam ang energy ng both camps. MGC New Life Christian Academy lamang 29-18, 5 minutes 40 seconds remaining in the first half.
Napatawag nga ulit ng timeout doon si Coach Matthew. But after that timeout, walang pinagbago dito yung MGC. The intensity is still there. The defense is still there. They're enjoying now the biggest lead of this ball game with 13. So balik na dito si Grant C. Katuwang dito ni Steven Choa. Still scoreless. At saka itong si Austin. Kailangan na ng tulong talaga nitong batang to.
Empty timeout there as we have
a wedging.
Uno High School, we regain back possession with 5 minutes, 3 seconds remaining. Chance to trim out this lead, but Coach John Sia would want to talk things over. They will call a timeout, 31-18. We will be back.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
You see here the Uno faithful supporting their team. They're down 31-18 with 5 minutes, 3 seconds remaining here in the first half of this semi-final match against MGC New Life Christian Academy. As we see here, Coach Milton Yu of Uno High School.
And the crowd of Uno, look at them with the clappers, with all the banners.
The blue and white supporting. 14 seconds to shoot for MGC. Quick find there. Trey Chua to Adrian Tan. No challenge inside Coach Joseph.
So it's gonna be a 15-point lead para dito sa Uno. So kung gaano kaganda yung nilaro nila on that quarterfinal game against PCC, ganun din kasama yung simula nila dito sa game natin.
Steven Chua, empty possession that time. Trey Chua. Adrian Tan lines up a three, too strong. But ball possession will go back to the hands of Uno High School. 4.5 minutes remaining in the first half.
Dito sugal na talaga dito si Coach Matthew Yu. Fielding again, Grant C with 3 fouls in 4 minutes left here in the second quarter.
And miscommunication there.
They're off the rhythm here.
But to take note, Steven Cho has not yet scored with 12 minutes of action here in this game. Jacoby Tan directing plays for the white shirts. Adam Uy back to the Jacoby Tan. Trey Chua, that will be short from way beyond, but he gets his miss. Adam Uy thought of the three. Gives it to Ko. Chua again tries from way beyond, and he will get that through to make it 36-18, 18-point lead now for the MGC New Life Christian Academy.
The effort is all on the MGC side right now. Napipilitan nga sila magmintis. Nakukuha naman nila yung offensive rebound.
Shot there from Steven Choa, hasn't scored. But Jacoby Tan will lose the letter. Battered by Austin Ramos crossing the line. 3 minutes 34 seconds remaining in the first half. Babalik ngayon, Maddox. Papalitan si Jacoby Tan. Adam Uy. Lucas Lo. Fielded in now by Coach John Sia.
So they give Jacoby a hand of applause right there, doing a good job defending Austin.
Austin Ramos gives it to Wang Tachi. Goes to his left. Grant C, thought of the three, slices through the defense. Short, but ball will stay at the hands of Uno High School. 14 seconds to shoot.
Ganong kahirap para dito sa Uno umiscore.
Nagkaroon ng 3 fouls si Grant C, naging tentative na rin yung mga offensive moves niya eh. Alam niya, mental game na rin ito as Wang Tachi lines up from way beyond Basangkay Street. That will be good to trim down this lead to a 15-point lead. 36-21 is our score. Trey Chua uses that cross screen. Pulls up from mid-range, no good. J.M. Bautista recovers it for Uno High School. 2 minutes 46 seconds remaining. Grant C zigzags, but he will be met by a phalanx of white shirts inside.
Yun yung kailangan ni Coach Matthew. Yun yung kailangan niyang Grand C, yung nagdadala ng bola. Naalala ko ito yung last game nila sa Tuesday against PCC. Talagang siya yung nagsisimula ng transition offense nila, hindi si Austin.
Si Grant C, pag ano na yan, nagsumigzag na sa ilalim yan, ilista mo na. 17 seconds to shoot now for the Blue Shirts. C, floater, no good. Grant C, second serving. It will be good for Grant C. 36-23 now is our count. Still, MGC New Life on top. Lucas Lo gives it to Trey Chua. Maddox, too strong on that try from way beyond. Grant C clobbers the rebound. Austin Ramos now attacking, zigzagging, kicks it out to C, elbow, 3, too strong. J.M. Bautista, second serving. Grant C, and he will be fouled inside. Got hit at the back of his head. Rinig natin dito, no? Sa kinalalagyan natin. Rinig natin yung lagabog, coach.
Oh, yes. So, we should give time to Grant.
Grant really shaken on that foul.
Sabi natin dito, it's gonna be a do or die para dito sa Uno High School. O, mamaya mo na hindihin yung sakit.
Laro mo lang.
Oh,
itutulog mo rin yan
laban
mamaya.
talaga ngayon. Knowing that you're down by 13.
You're down by 13. There's no tomorrow. Grant C behind the line now, but misses on that first free throw. 2 minutes, 2 seconds remaining in the first half of this semifinal game between Uno High School and MGC New Life Christian Academy. Grant C wasted those opportunities, missing those 2 foul shots.
As Coach Matthew is still gonna applaud the effort of Grant, knowing that he's playing with 3 fouls. He will stay aggressive.
Jacoby misses on that 3-point shot.
Pinagsabay na dito ni Coach John Sia itong dalawang Tiririt boys niya, itong si Jacoby and Lucas Lo. Takbo dito yung naka-blue shirts.
Will be hell for the likes of Austin Ramos dahil dyan sa mga Tiririt boys na yan. MGC New Life, and smart play there.
And look at the effort of Bautista, not giving up. Yun, sinasabi natin palagi sa mga players ko rin. If you got a chance to get the ball, get it. Kasi hindi mo alam sino tumatakbo sa likod mo. And look at that effort of Bautista. Bola pa nila.
Na merong mata sa likod itong si J.M. Bautista. No? I-bounce doon sa player ng kalaban. C, one-hander would be good.
And sinatawag natin dyan, 4-point swing. Bola nyo na dapat, turnover pa, nakascore pa yung Uno.
Good move there by Uno High School. Maddox gives it to Adrian Tan. Corner 3-2 stroke. Kurt Sotinko again scoring at will inside to make it 38.
Wala rin magawa doon si
25.
Grant C, knowing that he has 3 fouls already. All you have to do is to raise those 2 hands, not to get a foul. Pero yun ang talaga magagawa mo doon pag si Kurt Sutinko yung nakahawak ng bola.
Uusugan mo na lang yung sandal, yung kaldag sa'yo eh. Penalty situation now for both teams. Austin Ramos sinking that first free throw to make it 38-26. 12-point lead still for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Second free throw good as well for Austin Ramos. Jack Cheng checking back in, replacing Manok Stan. 1 minute 4 seconds remaining in the first half.
Balik na rin dito si Adam Uy, Jacoby, together with Tan and Sutinko.
Adam Uy, quiet 8 points for his name.
So it's gonna be a 2-3 zone now para dito sa Uno.
17 seconds to shoot, 56.4 seconds remaining in the first half. Adam Uy. Let's see what MGC New Life Christian Academy has to do. Adam Uy now. But Grancy was able to borrow that and get that letter forward pass to Austin Ramos. Pulls up, circle shot, no good. But J.M. Bautista, who was fighting for the loose ball, will be fouled in the process. Penalty situation will send him to the free throw line.
Before that foul, Adam Uy didn't see that advantage. Kurt Sutinko laban dun kay Austin Ramos. It's gonna be easy 2 points for that. Pero yun na nga, naagawan siya. Good thing para dito sa Uno. They're gonna keep on attacking. Alam naman natin dito itong how shifty this Austin Ramos is. To give them an attempt right there. Pero good thing na nakuha dito ni Bautista yung rebound. Is gonna go to the free throw line. In the process, natanggal pa yung sapatos niya. Pero we're gonna give him that effort kanina. Saving that ball. And here, trying to get that rebound. Is now to the free throw line to get those two baskets.
J.M. Bautista doing a good job stepping up for his team. Scoreless still at this point. But yung mga intangibles, Coach Joseph, yung mga hindi nakikita dito sa score sheet natin, yun ang ginagawa ni J.M. Bautista to keep his team afloat with 35 seconds remaining in the first half. Adam Uy, left drive. Adrian Tan, second serving is good for MGC New Life Christian Academy. 40-27, 20 seconds remaining. There will be a foul. Jacoby Tan committing his second personal foul. Yun naman talaga yung trabaho ni Jacoby, no? Talagang mangulit, mangharas sa depensa. Austin Ramos.
That's the third miss on the free throw line para dito sa Uno. So it's gonna be last 20 seconds. I think Coach Matthew should sub out Grant C. Baka makakuha pa ng pang-apat yan. Pero ito nga, stay nga natin dito.
Austin Ramos, 1 out of 2 on that trip to the line. Riley Hui, one of the gunners of MGC New Life Christian Academy, ngayon lang papasok. 16 seconds remaining in the first half. Adam Uy against C. And there will be a foul. Steven C. called for that blocking foul, his second personal foul. Again, these two teams are in the penalty. Adam Uy will go to the free throw line for the 2 points.
Too aggressive right there for Steven C. Ang taas pa ni Adam doon para pressurein mo siya. He's still on the half court.
Hindi man lang pinalubog. No?
Oh, yes. Bad thing for them there on the penalty.
Adam Uy cashes in on both free throws to make it 42-28. Last 9 seconds remaining. Uno High School. What do they do? J.M. Bautista lines up for 3. Still no good. Grant C will run out of time. And that would be it for first half of action. 42-28 in favor of the MGC New Life Christian Academy against Uno High School. We will be back after this halftime break.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
I value this the most.
Sulitin natin.
You guys ready?
Power all 99, please.
All access data and only TikTok for only 99 pesos.
Magic data for me.
Data that doesn't expire, also 99 pesos. Smart Super Value deals coming right up.
Get the most out of your 99 pesos. With Power All's 8 GB for all apps plus only TikTok.
Or magic data that doesn't expire. Switching? Simple with Smart eSIM.
Smart Super Value deals.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy. Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
Kampo si Babes, ikaw daw sa sino-stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapopost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan!
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
And we are back here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium of Uno High School at the heart of Tondo, Manila. 42-28 is our score. MGC New Life Christian Academy up against Uno High School. As we see here, the MGC faithful supporting their players, looking good here at the half. Coach Joseph, bakit nga ba lamang ang MGC New Life at this point?
Effort. Yun yung lamang nila dito sa Uno, na wala yung Uno ngayon in the first half. They're there fighting in every possession. Huli na lumaban itong Uno eh. After that suffering that 18-point lead, dun pa lang sila lumaban in courtesy of Bautista and Grand C. Pero the early part of the first half, talaga it's all about MGC. Kita nyo naman dito, they forced Uno in the 9 turnover. Actually, both team is shooting slop in the 3-point area. 1 out of 13 and 2 out of 14 para sa both team. Pero na, yung field goals dito ng MGC, this kids gotta keep on attacking underneath the ring. Kaya naman mas mataas yung field goals sila with 17 against 10 dito. Kalaban yung Uno.
And those 9 turnovers of Uno High School has produced 14 points of turnovers for MGC New Life. Kita mo yung disparity, no, Coach? Talagang on offense and defense, opensa ang MGC as we begin here. The third quarter brought to us by Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. JM Bautista scoring his first points via three-pointer to open the festivities here in the second half. Carl Reh making his move. Cross-court pass to Adrian Tan. Corner 3. Not there. Austin Ramos off to the run. Kurt Sotinko. Adam Uy finishing.
That should have been a 5-0 start para dito sa Uno. Pero Steven Tan still not on this ball game. Sabi natin, still not on this ball game kasi hindi pa rin talaga makuha ni Steven Tan itong rhythm niya. And another steal here para kay Trey Chua. And a basket for MGC.
Cashing in on that fast break attack. 46-31 now is our count. A quick scoring blast from MGC. And Uno High School will turn the ball over again. 10 turnovers now for the boys of Coach Matthew Yu, which is so very livid at the sidelines.
Mapipilitan dito, umangat yung depensa itong Uno because they're trailing by 15 here in the third quarter. Kung ikaw naghahabol, talagang ikaw magpupush ngayon, ikaw magdedetect ng defense.
Austin Ramos getting impatient there on that offensive
He has
sequence.
that good intention to forward pass to Steven Choa, pero hindi ko alam kung mabagal ba si Steven or for mas malakas ba yung pasa. Pero well, there's only 8 minutes pa yung mangyayari dito sa third quarter natin. Marami pa pwede mangyari dito. Now, takbo ulit dito si Austin.
Austin Ramos pulling up from mid-range. Empty possession. Frustration growing for Austin Ramos with that foul. Speaking of Steven Choa, nabanggit mo, no? Hindi natin alam kung out of sync ba, masama gising, or off night talaga itong batang ito, no?
Hindi mo ba masasabing off night, Chris? Kasi alam mo naman itong batang to, anytime pwede sumabog yan, no, with his skills and ball handling TV nitong bata. And another drive and wala na naman nakuha doon yung uno. Forward pass dito, Adam Uy. Attacking Austin Ramos and a basket para kay Adam Uy. Now enjoying again with 17-point lead here in the third quarter.
MGC New Life Christian Academy pouring it in to begin here the second half of action. Grand C turning ball over, their 11th turnover. Carl Webb pushing the pace for MGC. Kicks out to Adam Uy. But he would be fouled there on the 3-point attempt. 3 free throws coming here for Adam Uy. Austin Ramos, third personal foul.
So yung may tatlong foul dito para sa uno. Austin Ramos, Grancy, Jarvis Mari, and Perez. Lahat yan may tigtatatlong foul as early here the third quarter with 7 minutes left.
Not a good news for Coach Matthew Yu. Adam Uy cashes in.
Masama sa foul na yon is giving 3 free throws para dito kay Adam Uy. Pwede yung chance niya may ayun na nga, sasabihin ko pa sana, may chance siya madala yung Kalamangan into 20.
Baka naman daw dito sa pangatlo makuha na. Let's see, Adam Uy hits the front of the iron on that third free throw. Grand C would want to pass inside, but he was bothered by Trey Chua. MGC New Life Christian Academy now on offense. Trey Chua lines up for 3, no good. Adrian Tan, second serving, too strong. Austin Ramos off to the races. Zigzagging, high looper. It will go in for Austin Ramos.
Good concentration by Austin, finishing even with a contact with Ko right there. An aerial battle, an aerial finish para dun kay Austin. And now that's the 4th foul of Austin Ramos here in this ball game.
That's bad news for Coach Matthew Yu. Their main gunner deeply in foul trouble with 4 personal fouls. Austin Ramos sitting at the end of the bench. Too frustration. 14 on the shot clock for the white shirts. Adam Uy against Steven Chua. Adam Uy, kumawala. Adrian Tan, but Grancy was there to smother it. Steven Chua creating for Uno. Kicks out to Wang Tachi for the 3! 49 to 36. Uno High School still trailing.
It's only a 13-point lead para dito sa Uno.
Adam Uy iniwas. And that is easy 2 points for Adam Uy.
The primary defender of Uno is palaging naiiwan. Kumbaga, sobrang kita dito. Kumbaga, hindi ko alam kung pagod ba yun.
C. Second three-pointer. Steven C. brings down the lead to 12 points. 51 to 39. Steven Chua trying to steal the ball. 5 minutes, 29 seconds remaining in the third quarter. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ito yung sinasabi natin. May kailangan dito yung Uno. Itong si Steven Chua should step up now on the offensive end. Kasi nga wala na nga dito sa floor ngayon si Austin Ramos. Getting 4th foul.
Carl Weh answers back. Dito sa panig ng MGC New Life, tarang napakadali ngayon ng basketball. Lahat ng iangat nila pumapasok. Wang Tachi fails on that 3-point attempt. Carl Weh against Steven Chua.
Tatawagan ka talaga noon. Every time you're gonna give that the chance for the referee to call, pag susundot ka talagang pipituhan ka niyan. Now they're gonna be on the penalty on the next foul. So it's gonna be free throw from here on para dito sa MGC.
Maddox Lim being sent back here. Jacoby Tan. Floater from the baseline. No good. Grand C secures the letter. 4 minutes, 49 seconds remaining. Grand C signals the play for Uno High School. Balik kay Grand C ang bola. Kicks it out. Stephen Cho, Wang Tachi from the elbow. 3 3-point shots from Wang Tachi.
She is keeping this Uno team keeping their head above the water by this 3 points basket. Pangalawa niya na yan dito sa quarter na to.
11 puntos na lamang ang kalamangan ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. Adrian Tan would want to answer back from the corner, but that's no good. Stephen Choa secures the board for Uno High School. Gives it to Grant C against Jacoby Tan. Back to Stephen Choa. C against Maddox Lim. Slices through the middle. No good at that floater. Carl Re attacking now for MGC New Life. Fakes the pass. Adrian Tan. Elbow three. Too strong. JM Bautista for the board. Gives it again to Grant C.
Nilalaka dito ng Uno yung bola, which is Coach Matthew is telling them to run and to push the pace kasi yun naman talaga yung strength itong Uno.
Grant C will be fouled there. Two white defenders. That is
good extra pass right there by Stephen Choa to Shi, getting that second 3 points. That's the first team foul ng MGC sa quarter na to. Samantala ito namang Uno is nasa penalty na. Shi again on the corner. 3!
Again, Wang Tachi answering the call of Coach Matthew Lewis. Fourth 3-pointer of this game.
The crowd of Uno is alive here in Don Domingo U2 Gym.
Carl Re tries to answer back, no good. Grand C secures the board. 3 minutes remaining in the third quarter. Grand C, overpasses to Stephen Cho at the corner.
Yan yung nangyayari pag wala kang Austin Ramos sa loob ng floor. No one will gonna decide, no one will gonna orchestrate the offense for you. That time, Grand C throw the ball outside on the first row.
Malaki talaga yung void na iniwan dito ni Austin Ramos, having to sit down with 4 personal fouls. Pag nandyan yung Austin Ramos, is either siya na yun no? Tapos o kaya facilitate, i-drop off dun sa makakakuha sa depensa as Stephen Choa now creates for Uno High School, but
ayaw pa rin para kay Stephen Choa.
Parang nakasara ang ring dito for Stephen Choa. Trey Chua now for MGC, still empty possession. Uno High School has the chance to trim this lead down. 53-45 is our crowd. 8-point lead for MGC New Life. Babalik ang bola ngayon sa panig ng mga nakaputi ng MGC New Life Christian Academy.
Kitang-kita mo yung takot dito kay Grand C. Bringing that ball down, knowing that Jacoby Tan is in front of him. Talagang ingat na ingat siya So problema mo, so sobrang ingat mo, doon ka lalo magkakamali.
Totoo yan. Parang sobra-sobra ka nako-conscious, iniisip mo lahat ng galaw mo, talagang papalpa ka as now Uno High School. Attacks, Stephen Choa against Adam Uy, against Maddox Lim. Bilis ng transition defense. Wong, no good on that 3-point try. Trey Chua goes to his right, steps back for 3 from Abad Santos Avenue for Trey Chua. Ups the lead now, 56-45 for MGC New Life Christian Academy.
A badly needed basket para diyon sa MGC, yung binitawan na 3 points ni Chua. Now, balik yung bola dito sa MGC. Trey's pushing the ball. Adam, pass it to the wrong guy. Stephen Choa. Ito na ba yun?
And Stephen Choa loses that handle. Maddox Lim slashes through. Reverse won't go. Grand C now slicing through the middle, and he will be fouled there.
So it's gonna be a first casualty of crumbs here in this ball game. It's gonna be Adam Uy on the floor asking for help for their medical staff or asking help for his teammate. Alam naman natin, last semifinal game against St. Jude and St. Stephen have 4 cramps. ito, as early as third quarter, may nag-cramps na dito si Adam Uy. So it's gonna be attended here at the back of the bench. So, it's gonna be 2 free throw para dito kay Grant C. Well, gusto natin i-upload Grant C having 3 fouls to start of the second half. Because he think he's gonna finish this quarter with still 3. And he has that fighting chance to finish the quarter. Kumbaga, matatapos mo yung game na wala kang iniisip.
Yung disiplina ni Grant C playing above those 3 personal fouls he got in the first half. And 0 out of 2 on that try from the line. Still 56-45, 11-point lead for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Jack Chen lines up a 3. He gets his own miss. And Wesley Ko tapping the ball, saving it. Second chance opportunity. Jack Cheng, 5 to shoot, 4. Chua lines it up from way beyond. Play continues for Uno High School. Stephen Chua now, battered by Maddox behind. But Maddox limb will be called for that foul. 33.9 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
A lot of chances given here para sa Uno to trim down the lead to single digit to finish this quarter. Tingnan natin dito kung makakapitalize ba nila to with 33.9 seconds left here in the third quarter.
Uno High School now, C. Gives it inside to Ian Perez but overcooks it. And there will be a foul.
So it's gonna be 2 free throw para dito sa MGC. Kasamaan doon, he picks up his 4th personal foul. Itong si Perez, nagbintis ka na, foul ka pa, pang-4 mo, magbibigay ka pa ng free throw para dito kay Adrian Tan.
Adrian Tan, first free throw is good. Ups the lead now of MGC New Life Christian Academy to 12 points, 27.4 seconds remaining. Adrian Tan increases that lead to 13 for MGC New Life Christian Academy, 27.4 seconds remaining. Full court press defense now for MGC New Life.
Yes, they can do that because they still have 1 foul to give. Itong MGC.
John Yu off the glass. 15 seconds remaining. Lucas Law, baseline, kicking out, but steps on the line, giving the ball back to Uno High School. Last 9.4 seconds remaining in the third.
Dan papasok yung immaturity nitong Lucas Law. Pero tingnan muna natin dito, the high arcing using the board para dito kay C. Siya ulit dito. It's gonna be a double violation for him. Sinasabi natin kanina, yung immaturity doon ni Lucas. They should have taken that last shot, but he decided to attack.
Ball now will go MGC New Life Christian Academy. 3 seconds remaining. Jack Cheng. Want to find a fight. Jacoby Tan would line up from way beyond. It will not be good, and that will be it for the third quarter of action. 11-point lead for MGC New Life Christian Academy. 58-47. We will be back after this break.
Go beyond with Smart, the country's fastest and best mobile network. With unlimited 5G data for 12 months. Unlimited text and calls for both mobile and landline. And unlimited Netflix mobile on us. All with Smart Postpaid's powerful SIM-only plan starting at $9.99. Get it on eSIM online, anytime, anywhere. Switch now and keep your number. Get the power to go beyond, only with Smart Postpaid.
Intense play of action through 3 quarters here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Gymnasium. At the heart of Tondo, Manila, here at Uno High School, Coach Chris King de la Cruz together with Coach Joseph Guion, hinahatid sa mga tahanan ninyo at kung saan kayo naroon ang mainit na aksyon ng semifinals ng Philippine Qingyan Athletic Association. This game between Uno High School against MGC New Life Christian Academy, who holds a twice to beat advantage as we begin the final quarter. Wesley Ko, Adrian Tan for the corner. That will be short.
Still nothing there for Adrian Tan. Kanina pa yan first quarter. He's keeping that 3 points attempt. Tingnan natin dito. Steven Choa ayaw pa rin.
Jarvis,
it's gonna be a jump ball. Balik yung bola dito sa Uno.
Jarvis Mari only 2 points here in our game. Norms of 5.3 points, 11.9 rebounds. Meron pa lamang siyang 4 na rebounds. Bothered by 3 personal fouls. C, off balance. Regaining his balance there. Circus shot won't go. Wesley Ko clobbers the board for MGC. Jacoby Tan. Back to Carl Yue. Yue. Adrian Tan zigzags, but met by Jarvis Murray upstairs. Austin Ramos back now in the ball game. Goes to his left, uses the board and scores.
What a finish right there by Austin Ramos. He got that almost 5 minutes break. Game time. Kumbaga, almost 15 to 20 minutes yung napahinga niya dun. Because he picked up his 4th foul. Nakita mo dito in the 4th quarter. He looks so fresh. And he could ready to run now. These Blue Pandas.
MGC New Life Christian Academy getting careless there in that possession, turning the ball over. 8 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. 4th quarter. C lines up a 3 from Basangkay Street is good! Swimming the lead down, 58 to 52. Kumakatok na sa pintuan ang mga bataan ni Coach Matthew Yu.
Alam naman natin itong MGC, they have the history of collapsing ng elimination games natin. I think nakadalawa, 3 silang collapse yung nangyari dito. So same na rin. Same ba yung mangyari dito in the 4th quarter? Hindi natin alam. With 8 minutes and 27 seconds left here. Tingnan natin dito kung ano adjustment gagawin ni Coach John Sia. That time, Steven Cho was called for a foul. Kitang-kita naman doon yung tulak sa likod. It's gonna be 3rd foul. Sabihin na natin walang puntos tong si Steven Chua, but he got 9 rebounds. So, he make himself available or kumbaga useful by getting that rebounds.
Doon niya kinocompensate talaga yung kakulangan sa opensa eh.
It's gonna be an offensive foul of blocking illegal screen.
Coach Jan Sia showering instructions. 6 na puntos na lamang ang kalamangan ng MGC New Life Christian Academy. 8 minutes, 17 seconds remaining. Austin Ramos against Carl Reh. Lines up a 3. No good off the glass. Steven Choa, 10th rebound now. But there will be a foul.
So that's gonna be a technical for the bench of MGC.
Warning
because of the reaction, yes, because of that reaction of that foul na nakumit ni Carl Wei. They're asking the referee that's gonna be offensive foul. Kasi alam naman nila, pag offensive foul, it's gonna be the 5th foul dito kay Austin Ramos. Pero iba ngayon nakita ng referee, it's gonna be a blocking foul para dito kay Carl. Kaya hindi nagustuhan ng coach. Kaya ganun na lang talaga yung reaction nila. It's gonna be a technical free throw para dito kay Ramos. Pwede, may chance pa siya dito, may babayad itong kalamangan. Itong MGC into 5 if he got this free throw.
Ball possession will stay on their side. Let's see here. Yun. May sabit nga on that drive. Na-impede yung pag-drive ni Austin Ramos, yung path niya to drive to the basket. John Sia, coach of MGC New Life, called for the technical foul.
Mga ganun reaction, hindi mo na masisisi yan. It's a semifinals game. Diba? Kung baga minsan nasa coach, you have that emotion, hindi mo rin pwedeng itago yan. You need to let it out. Yung problema lang doon, nandun mismo sa harap ng referee at meron ka ng warning na ilabas mo, bad thing for them at good thing for them na lang, hindi na shoot ni Austin yung free throw.
Austin Ramos now makes his move, kicks it out. C gives it back to Ramos for 3. No good from the elbow. But ball will stay on the side of Uno High School. 14 seconds to shoot for the Blue Shirts.
Yung mga late na dito sa live natin. This is a semifinals match, guys. Kaya ganito na lang po yung intensity natin. So we're gonna have a timeout here with 58-52 for MGC.
We'll be back after this timeout.
Kampo si Babes, ikot daw sa sino stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapapost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan!
Playoff action here heating up at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Stadium of Uno High School. 58-52 is our count. MGC New Life Christian Academy still leads. 7 minutes, 53 seconds remaining, but Uno High School knocking out the door of MGC New Life. 5-0 run to open this quarter. See the Uno faithful to see the St. Jude Catholic School faithful trooping in now.
Uno is fighting for their lives right here. Alam naman natin, it's gonna be a do or die for them. They want to live or they want to push another game para dito sa MGC. Kaya na lang ganito yung pagpupursige nitong nila Austin, nila Steven, yun yung mga graduating players ito ni Coach Matthew. With 7 minutes and 53 seconds, the only down by 6 is still alive right here.
Pinasok na nga ulit Magic Bunot. Wang Tachi inside for Uno High School. Empty possession there for Uno. MGC now on the attack. Carl Rare goes to his left, zigzags. But there are phalanx of blue shirts inside. Austin Ramos zigzags. Gives to Jarvis Mari. Kicks out to Wang Tachi. Steven Choa lands up for a 3. Still no good. Second serving now for Uno High School. Austin Ramos, corner 3 is good! Lead now down to 3 points, 58-55. Slowly but surely, Uno High School knocking out the door of MGC New Life Christian Academy. 7 minutes, 2 seconds remaining. Trey Chua, Maddox Lim, too strong, Adrian Tan, but there was Wang Tachi to defend the painted area. Ball will remain at the hands of MGC New Life as we see here in the replay. Austin Ramos nailing that difficult corner 3. 5 seconds to shoot.
Tama sinabi dun. Difficult corner 3 para doon kay Austin Ramos. Speaking of 3, ito, Adam Uy, babawi nga ba? Wala. Balik yung bola dito sa Blue Shirts. Rebound again by Steven Choa. Takbo ulit dito si Austin.
Austin would want to create. Hindi pa ba tapos ang laban ng Uno High School? 6 minutes, 36 seconds remaining. But a miscommunication there. Austin Ramos, hindi nagkaamuyan to Steven Choa. Turns the ball over. Babalik ang possession para sa MGC New Life Christian Academy. 6 minutes, 33 seconds remaining. In the fourth quarter, Trey Chua. Extra pass to Adam Oy. That would be short. Wang Tachi couldn't handle the pass or the letter.
This is gonna be a 14 seconds. Mababalik dito yung bola sa MGC.
Coach Jancia want to talk things over. He calls a timeout. 58-55 ang score. MGC New Life Christian Academy angat laban sa Uno High School. We will be back.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.
The atmosphere here at the Don Domingo Youth Shoe Gymnasium is just electric as Uno High School trimmed down the lead to just 3 points, 58 to 55 with 6 minutes, 23 seconds remaining. See on the screen the rabid fans of Uno High School egging on their players to fight on. Trey Chua from mid-range silences the crowd.
What a good play right there by Coach John Cia, setting up Trey Chua on the short corner. Now, kita nyo dito, nakabalik dito si Adam Uy para dito sa MGC. Yung sinasabi natin, it's gonna be do or die para dito sa Uno, pero yung tingin dito ng MGC, it's like also for them, hindi nila pwede bigyan ng buhay itong Uno, or hindi nila pwede pagbigyan pa yung Uno to force them into rubber match this coming Tuesday.
10 seconds to shoot now for Uno High School. Austin Ramos would want to create. Defense is on him. 3-point shot, that would be big. Steven Choa. Jarvis Mari committing a foul. Fourth personal foul.
A hit check shot right there para kay Austin Ramos. Still on that corner. Pero yun na nga, Steven Choa still cannot buy a basket here.
Trey Chua. No good on that time. Grand C off to the races, but no good. Kersotinko fights for the board. Forward pass to Adrian Tan. 2-on-1 break. Gets his own miss. Grand C will run out of space. Ball will stay on the hands of the white shirts. 5 minutes, 21 seconds remaining.
2 fast break attempts to those teams. Talagang alam mo yung takbuhan na yung laban natin dito. Kung ilan tayo patapos, doon sila nagtatakbuhan. Nakita mo na lang dito yung intensity. Speaking of 3, galing pa sa Crabs yan. Adam Uy giving MGC the back to 8 and a breather for them.
Adam Uy keeping Uno at bay. Jarvis Mari. Good find from Grand C. That's the lead down to 6. 63 to 57. 4 minutes, 53 seconds remaining. Adam Uy. Trey Chua lines up a 3. Too strong. Adam Uy. Second serving. Kili-kili shot. No good. That Kersotinko would be fouled, but seems to hurt his hamstring there on his way down. That's the fourth personal foul.
Fourth ban or fifth foul na ba ito ni Grand C? So it's gonna be fourth personal foul para dito kay Grand C. Laban na to. Kanina, nahulog din yan. Pero alam mo yung konting pagpaglang, tayo, laro. Ganun din ulit dito.
Kersotinko being a heavy contributor today for Coach John Cia, scoring 7 points, grabbing 8 rebounds. Giving Coach John Cia quality minutes in this playoff matchup. Remember, hawak po nila MGC New Life Christian Academy ang twice to beat advantage. If they win here today, they punch a ticket to the finals which will begin next week.
Kersotinko is limping pabalik dito sa bench nila. Hindi natin alam kung saan tumama yun. Sobrang bilis ng aksyon dito. Pero alam naman natin, itong si Grant yung nahulog pero siya yung may tama sa tuhod. Pero babalik yan. Speaking of babalik, makukuha ba nila ulit? Ito na. Bola na kay Austin Ramos.
Austin Ramos creating now. 4 minutes, 33 seconds remaining. 6-point lead for MGC. Steven Choa goes to his left. Finding Grand C. Kicks out to JM Bautista for 3. No good. Jarvis Mari. Second chance opportunity. Short pass but read by MGC. Forward pass to Adam Uy. And he throws up a prayer knowing that he was already fouled.
So it's gonna be 2 free throw para dito kay Adam Uy. Knowing that, alam mo, pag pumito yung referee, automatically you just throw that ball.
Heady
titingnan
play
mo kung
there.
anong mangyayari doon sa referee. Automatically, you're gonna be 2 free throw for him right here. Try to bring back the lead into, sasabihin ko pa sana into 8. Pero yun na nga, Mintis yung unang free throw dito ni Adam.
At nababati natin si Adam. Uy, kanina pa natin nababati yan. That time, 1 out of 2 on that trip to the line. 4 minutes, 10 seconds remaining. 7-point lead now for MGC New Life, creating that safe space against this dangerous Uno High School squad. Huang Tachi overcooks that one from way beyond.
Still, wala doon. Yung 3 points ni Shi. Pero alam naman natin, yung third quarter, nakatatlo yun.
Maddox gives it to Calwe. Zigzagging in the middle. Chua thought about the three. Steps back. Too strong. Bola mapupunta. Pabalik sa MGC. Maddox slim. Slicing through the defense. That would be big. Kung pumasok, Austin Ramos now. Baseline. Oh, patay ang butike para kay Austin Ramos.
By that attempt by Austin Ramos, hindi ka pwedeng aasa sa referee para tawagan ka ng foul. You need to attack the basket hard. Tingnan natin din kung sino may foul. If that Grand Seed, panglima niya na yun.
Adrian Tan, difficult shot. Grand C committing his 5th foul. Sitting down on the bench as we see here on our replay. Adrian Tan with a difficult pull-up jumper from the baseline.
Sabi ni Adrian Tan, hindi ako makabuta sa 3 points. I'm gonna try the short jumper. Just he succeed. Now he got a chance to get a 3-point. Coming from that foul. Grant, kagandaan doon. Na-fouled out mo si Grant C.
Don't look now. MGC New Life Christian Academy holds a 10-point lead as J.M. Bautista lines up for 3. No good. And ball possession will go back to the hands of the white shirts with 3 minutes and change remaining in the period of this semi-final game between MGC New Life Christian Academy and Uno High School.
Pinakamababa nito kanina, coming from that, since nag-18-point lead is naging 3. Ito nga, start ng 4th quarter with 5-0 run. Ginawa nila, balik ngayon sa 10 with last almost 3 minutes left here in the 4th quarter.
Wesleyco give and go to Carlwe. Being harassed by C. Cross court to Maddox Lim. Zigzags in the middle. No good. Austin Ramos gets the board. He attacks now. Goes to his right. Austin Ramos. Difficult shot. Talagang pinanindigan niya na ngayon yung talagang role niya as main guy for Uno High School. Austin Ramos. There is no tomorrow for them.
Yeah, hindi lang siya main guy. He's also the team captain and the waiting guard para dito kay Coach Matthew. Talagang, umaga, he don't want to play his last game. Kung pwede niya pang mapiga, makaisa pa siya. With only 2 minutes and 34 seconds left, they're only down by 9. A lot of things pwede pang mangyari dito.
Austin Ramos hits his quota now with 21 points. Dagdag mo pa dyan yung 8 rebounds and 6 assists. Giving it all here in the semifinal matchup. 2 minutes 34 seconds remaining. 8-point lead for MGC New Life Christian Academy against Uno.
Full court press dito yung Uno. With 1-3-1 attack, they succeed. Now, bola nila. C. Drive. Up and under move. And a block right there by Carlwe.
Carlwe being the right place at the right time. Smothering that shot.
Pero kung ikaw yung MGC dun, wala kami pagdidiwang dun. You already has the ball game in your, kumbaga, nasa right pocket mo na eh. You're already up by 8. If that costly turnover, may chance pa dito yung Uno, may ibaba sa 5. Yung Kalamangan, yun na nga sinasabi ko.
Austin Ramos lining up from Abad Santos Avenue, getting successful. Maddox Lim answering back with a 2-point of his own.
Austin Ramos left there. 1-on-1 against Maddox. Wala ka nang magagawa doon. Getting a 4 fouls. C again driving.
Austin Ramos thinking about the 3-point shot. Finding J.M. Bautista underneath. C. Steps. Gives it to Austin Ramos against Maddox Lim. Lines up 4 at 3. Too strong. Choa gives it to C. No good. bola mag-i-stay para sa Uno High School, and Coach Matthew Yu would want to draw up a good play here. He will call a timeout. They're just trailing by 7 points, 69-62 with 1 minute 36 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. We will be back.
Kampo si Babes, ikaw daw sa stories.
Sa TNT Surf Saya 30, mapapost mo siya sa FB, IG, at kahit TikTok pa.
Sasaya na yan!
The Uno crowd supporting their players, egging them on. They just trail MGC New Life Christian Academy 69-62, 1 minute 36 seconds remaining in the payoff period. But time is not on their side, but they're not giving up. Uno High School, wild crowd here at the Don Domingo Yuchu Memorial Stadium, their home court. Will they stay alive to live another day? Let's see as we resume play in the payoff period. Steven Choa lines up for three. Too strong. Kurt Sutsinko protecting the rock. Gives it to Carl Reh. Carl Reh gives it to Trey Chua. Gives it to Kurt Sotinko. Kicks out to Maddox. But he will be clobbered there by two blue shirts. 8 seconds remaining at the shot clock of MGC. Trey Chua, too strong on that drive, but he would be fouled and he would earn the trip to the line for two.
Maddox on the floor. Jumping up and down. Probably natamaan yung groin nito. So it's gonna be sub out. So Steven Choa getting his 5th foul.
Steven Choa. Scoreless night, tough night for him.
One of the graduating seniors, itong si Steven Choa. Kaya as soon as possible, ilalaban niya dito kung siya ba talaga yung may foul. So, yun na nga.
Malinaw na malinaw.
Referee is firm with their call. It's gonna be the 5th foul of Steven Choa.
Numero 8 yung sinenyas ng ating official. To make it official that Steven Choa has committed his 5th and final foul. He'll be replaced here by Ian Perez. 1 minute 12 seconds remaining. Trey Chua. First free throw is strong. Still 7-point lead for MGC New Life Christian Academy. Trey. Second free throw is good to make it an 8-point lead, 62 against 70. MGC New Life holds the lead. Adam Uy balik na rin dito for the last 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining. AM Bautista, no good. Trey Chua gets the board. Last 1 minute here for MGC New Life. Will they march on to the finals against the winner of our second game between St. Jude and St. Stephen?
Now they're murking the clock right now. I don't think we're gonna attempt here the step back 3 by Trey. Wala. It's gonna be a 24 seconds violation.
Di tumama sa ring yung
step
back 3-pointer na yon ni Trey Chua. 8-point lead still. Anything is possible. Unti-unti nang sumasara ang pintuan para sa Uno pero lumalaban pa rin sila. Austin Ramos lines up from way beyond. It will be good. 5-point lead now. 30.2 seconds remaining.
So the fight for the skid. Austin Chua. Austin Ramos still alive now. I think they need to foul.
They need to foul here. Uno High School. 18 seconds, 17.
Austin cannot foul actually because Austin got 4 fouls.
Adam Uy. No fouls being given by Uno High School, and Trey Chua would ice it. 3 seconds and MGC New Life Christian Academy will march on to the finals of the 11th season of the Philippine Qingyuan Athletic Association.
If someone is celebrating, someone is sabihin na natin na umiiyak din ngayon, di ba? Kumbaga, well, look at Austin Ramos in the middle of the court playing his last playing day para dito sa Blue Pandas in front of the crowd, in front of his classmates, in front of his teachers. So talagang nilaban niya lahat doon. Itong si Austin Ramos, he should getting out in this building, heads up.
Austin Ramos leaving everything in the court, never leaving anything in the tank. Taas kamay natin dito sa batang ito. Austin Ramos, one of the graduating players for Uno High School as they proudly sing their school hymn with MGC New Life Christian Academy advancing to the final round. Best of 3 finals, which will start next week. The 11th season of the Philippine Qingyuan Athletic Association. They will await the winner of our second game between St. Jude Catholic School and St. Stephen High School, a knockout match. Coming up on our second game, St. Jude Catholic School and St. Stephen High School will dispute the second final spot for Coach Joseph Guillon. His coach Chris King de la Cruz will be back for our second game.
Jumbo Plastic Linoleum. Gawang Pinoy, sikat Pinoy.